Hello, and thank you for joining us. In this episode of the BPCS Use Case Series, we're going to be talking about Panorama with ArcGIS. So, what is the business challenge we're dealing with here? Well, it's working with parcel-related documents. Diving a little deeper, it's adding or storing documents for a parcel, as well as enabling users to easily access parcel documents. So, let's take a look at how Panorama can be used to streamline the process of working with parcel-related documents. Here we are in Panorama, and a lot of you have seen Panorama before, so you understand the concept of choosing a search type, and based on that search type, you can find a document or many documents. So I'm going to choose parcels in this case. We're looking for parcel-related documents. Here's an example of metadata. Your configuration might be different, but let's enter a parcel number, and I'll hit search. And you'll see I've got two documents here, and that's a typical way you might search for parcel-related documents. However, you can also click the ArcGIS icon in the upper right-hand corner, and you will be presented with a map. Now, this is an example of a map, and if you have multiple maps, you'll be able to choose which map you want to work with. But again, there's one map in this instance, so from my map, I can go off and select a parcel just by clicking on it. And I'm presented with different options. I can add documents to this parcel to be stored, or I can view documents that are already associated with this parcel. And of course, this depends if you're an internal user with a certain set of rights, or you're a public-facing or external user. Obviously, public-facing external users will have the view documents capability. But why don't we add a document since, again, I'm an internal user. So I'll click Add Documents. And from here, I'll grab a document and drag it in. And of course, you can drag in as many documents as you like. And I'll hit close. So now I've added my document to this particular parcel. So if I hit View Documents right here, it's going to show me all of the documents that are currently associated with this particular parcel. Now, the way we've got this instance configured, it's going to inherit the parcel number. You can have additional metadata inherited as well. But the key thing is, when I dragged it and dropped it in, it inherited the parcel number. Now, if I want to add more metadata, no big deal. Go to Profile. And right from here, I can add additional metadata. You'll notice a little asterisk there, which means it's a required field. So you cannot go past this or save unless you go off and enter the value. I'll choose a doc type of assessment. We'll put an expiration here, or an execution, excuse me. We'll put one of the 15th. Land use, we'll say residential. And of course, a lot number, we'll throw in 113. You'll see from here, I can do save. Save and next will allow me to flip through the entire result list to look at the different documents. But here, to want to add a field, I hit save. And I've got my document right here. And you can see now the additional metadata has been saved with the document. So as you can see, it's very easy to find your documents either via metadata or by clicking on the parcel inside your map. So what have you learned? Well, you learned that authorized users can add documents directly from a map. Also that internal as well as public users can easily view documents from a map. So what are your next steps? Well, it's time to reach out to MicroStrategies so we can help you like we help our other clients.